Hey guys, it's Miss Alexander, and I'm really excited. We get to practice more division problems. Today we'll be dividing 4-digit dividends by 2-digit divisors. Again, what I want you guys to do is let's look at our academic vocabulary. Remember, the divisor is how many of our item is in a group. Our dividend is the number on the inside, which tells us how much we have altogether. Now, once I take out all the groups of our divisors, I might have a leftover. If I have a leftover that can't fit into a group, it's called the remainder. And then up at the top is how many total groups I get out of my dividend, which is our quotient. It's also known as our answer. But I like quotient because that's the academic vocabulary. So let's go look at our model problem, problem number 1, that we'll be working with today. So model problem. We have 2,758 divided by 52. So again, like I like to do, we're going to quick change our numbers so that you can see them with different colors. I'm going to use orange, and then let's use a darker orange because that's a bit bright, but that's okay. We'll come right down here to this orange, and then to go with this orange, we'll do this pretty blue. So now we have to set the problem up. I need to make sure I put the divisor in the right area. So I'm going to put my 52. And please remember, I need to color it so that it matches. So I'm going to go right down here and do. And then here, I'm going to put in my 2,758. I'm going to color it the orange that we chose right here. And what's my next step? I've set my problem up. What's the next step? Awesome job, you guys. You're right. We need to copy and do repeated addition with our divisor. So I'm going to quick copy and paste my divisor. And again, as I told you guys, I was taught to always use 5. So I'm going to put in 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more is 5. And now we're going to quick add them up. I'm going to use a pretty green, highlighting green. So I have 2 plus 2 is 4, and 5 plus 5 is 10, which means I've got a 3-digit sum. So let me quick do that. And now I'm going to add up 52 to 104. So I do 4 plus 2 is 6. 5 plus 0 is 5, and 1 plus 0 is 1. I'm going to add it up again. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. I carry the 1, and I get a 2. Add it one more time because it's our 5th 52. 8 plus 2 is 10. I'm carrying the 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. And 2 plus 0 is 2. So here are my multiples of 52. So let me quick review it. 52 times 1 is 52. 52 times 2 is 104. 52 times 3 is 156. 52 times 4 is 208. And 52 times 5 is 260. Now we see our multiples. And right here, I'm going to get it set up so that I have the right color. So again, I have a 2-digit divisor, so I'm going to look at the first 2 digits if possible. I'm going to put it there because I know for sure. Can I pull 52 out of 27? No, so I'm going to have to put a second 0 because I cannot pull 52. So now I'm going to look at the first 3 digits, 275. Now I'm going to scroll down and I see, oh, I have 260. So I'm going to quick copy and paste my 52 and quick add it up to make sure it goes over the answer I need, because I always need to double check. So now I do 2 plus 0, 6 plus 5, which is 11, carry your 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is correct. I'm looking at 260. Now I have to count my 52s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in my quotient of the third digit over, which is technically my tens column, I'm going to put a 5, you guys. 5 times 52 is 260. So right here, I'm going to put in my 260. And now I'm going to subtract. 5 minus 0, you guys are right, 5. 7 minus 6, 1. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So I know I can't pull 52 out of 15. So I'm going to take this 8. I'm going to Control C and then Control V, copy it down. Now I'm looking at 158. So now I'm going to go back over here and see what I get. I have 104, 156, and 208. I'm looking for 158, so I'm going to go with this one, 156. Now I'm going to count how many 52s are above it. 1, 2, 3. So 3 times 52 is 156. So my quotient, I'm writing a 3. 3 times 52 is 156. 1, 5, 6. And then I'm going to subtract 8 minus 6. You're right, is 2. 5 minus 5, 0. And 1 minus 1, 0. Here is my remainder because I cannot take it any further. And then up here, I'm going to put my remainder in, and it's a 2. So there are 53 groups of 52 and 2,758 with 2 left over. I hope this was understandable. I'm hoping you're making mistakes so you can learn. Remember, if you have any issues, give me a call. Ask your questions. Now, as you're doing this, remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle because it's a lot of fun. Have a good day. Bye.